In this video, I'm going to show you how to build video sales funnel like this one that I have here, where people can enter their names and their email address to become your leads, and after submitting this form, they get redirected automatically to a video sales page where they'll watch a presentation of you trying to sell your product and then see all the other details about the product you are trying to sell on this same page, and then be able to click and buy your product. And the importance of a funnel like this is you are able to sell your product using a VSL, right? Using a video, and you already know that video has a higher conversion rate than any other marketing format out there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set something like this for yourself when you are running ads, maybe Google ads, Facebook ads, or whichever form of marketing you are using. So you redirect people to an opt-in page where they'll enter their details to become your leads, and after submitting the form, they get redirected to a VSL page where they get to watch a video presentation of you selling your product, and then they can also see all the details, testimonials, and everything you want to have on this page, and then go ahead to eventually buy your product. Then you make money. And the tool we are going to be using to build a funnel like this is Systeme.io, and I'm going to show you from the very beginning. I'll walk you through everything step by step, starting from how to create your Systeme account to the point where you have a finished product like this. So if you are interested in what I'm about to show you, just hit the like button and let's get started right away. Now, I know that there are a lot of funnel builders out there, but the reason I'm showing you how to do this on Systeme is because with Systeme you can have an unlimited free account without a trial period or whatever. So you can use your Systeme account, your free Systeme account, to create a funnel. And if you're just starting out with internet marketing, this will help you basically gain experience and start making money. Then you can upgrade to the paid plan or pay for whatever funnel builder you want to use. All right, so to get started, what you need to do first is to create a Systeme.io account. And to do that, what you just need to do is to follow the first link in the description of this video. If you click on the link, it's going to bring you to this page so that you'll be able to create a free Systeme account. And as you can see here, get the world's easiest only one marketing platform for free. All you just need to do is to enter your email address to get started. And as you can see here, free forever, no credit card required, and over 250,000 entrepreneurs are already using Systeme. And if you come over here, you basically see all the tools you have inside one Systeme account. Be able to build sales funnel, carry out email marketing, create online courses, build websites, set up an affiliate marketing program for your business, and basically automate your marketing all on Systeme. And then if you come over to pricing, you see the different packages available on Systeme. First, you have the forever free plan where you can use Systeme for free without you having to pay anything, but then you are limited to just 2,000 email contacts on your list, and then you can send unlimited emails to your list, build up to 3 sales funnel, and all these things here you can basically see them for yourself. Or you have this other package where you can have up to 5,000 people. So basically you can start for free. As the size of your list grows and then the needs you have for this tool grows, you can decide to upgrade to the paid plan, and that was probably when you start making money with the tool. But there are a lot of things you can do with Systeme, and you can see all of them here. The free plan is also very helpful, so you don't need to bother if you don't have any money to use on this right now. So I'll just go back, and then what you just need to do on this page is to enter your email address. So I'll enter my email address right here, and then you click on get my free account. All right, so almost there. You need to confirm your email address by clicking on the link we've just emailed to you. So I'm going to check my email inbox now for this link that I've sent. So you just need to go to your email. If you check your email inbox, the message you receive from Systeme will look like this. In order to access your Systeme account, click on this confirmation link. So it's as easy as you just clicking on this link, and that's very easy. Your account has been created. You just want to set a password for yourself. Make sure you're setting a very strong password, and then check I'm not a robot and click save. All right, so that brings you to your Systeme account, and this is what your new Systeme dashboard will look like. Now, for what we want to do, we want to build a VSL funnel where people can submit their details to us on a squeeze page and then get redirected to a VSL page. And to do that, what you just need to do is to come over here to funnels, and so far, because this account is brand new, you don't have anything here. And then what you basically just want to do is to click on create, and then you name the funnel you are about to create. So let me just say VSL, and then what is the goal of this funnel? Do you want to build an audience, sell something, build a custom funnel from scratch, or whatever? So I'm going to use collect email addresses and build your email list. list. So when people submit the form we have on the squeeze page, they get added to our email list. Then currency is not really important since we're not selling anything with this funnel, but I'm going to select US dollar and then click create. Okay, so that brings you here. Now the way Systeme works is you have templates that you can basically edit to create whatever it is you want. So as you can see, there are dozens of templates here that you can work with. All you just need to do is to select the one you like, and just in case you don't like any of these, you can start your design with a blank template. So let me see which of them here I am going to use. All right, so I'm going to pick this simple template here. So this is what I'm going to use. I'll click on select. All right, so you can name the opt-in page. Let me just leave it as squeeze page. This is the URL. And then what you basically want to do, you can set automation rules, create an A/B test, do all those stuff here. But our main concern is to come over here and click on this edit icon. You see this edit page, click on it. All right, so this is what the editor looks like. Now, there's really no limit to what you can do with your squeeze page. You can really edit a lot of stuff, and usually I like leaving things very simple, so I'm not going to change too many things, but everything you can see here, you can actually change all of this. Okay, you can change everything that you have here. Now let's start from the title of our squeeze page. Now what you want to have here basically is the big promise. What do you want to give the people who are visiting your page? What's your lead magnet basically? And remember, what I want to do is after they submit this form, they should be able to watch a particular video. So I'll just pick one video from my YouTube channel. All right, so I'll just pick this, for instance. That's the most recent video on my channel. I'm going to use this as my lead magnet. Let's say this is what I want to show people after they sign up on my opt-in page. And the title of this video is 5 low competition and high demand Fiverr gigs that earn you $500 per week without skill. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll come back to this editor and then just type in new video reviews 5 low competition and high demand Fiverr gigs to earn $500 weekly without skill. Right, so this like basically what people are signing up for. Right, so this is what people are giving you their contact for. And then I'm going to change this new video reviews to red. I want this to be red, and yeah, so I have it there. And then here, this subtext, you just want to add the instructions. Enter your name and email address to receive the free video training. You can decide to change this to whatever you want. So let me just put, please note, kindly enter your name and email address in the form below. Then click the submit button to watch this video for free. Right, so that's the instructions, like basically the path they'll follow to get to see this video. I can start to change the color of this text. Maybe it's not black enough, so I'll choose a more thicker black. All right, so basically for this form, name and email, I don't need to do anything, but you can change the settings of this form. So if you click on it, this menu icon pop up here. You can do whatever it is you want to do, change the font size, line height, background color, whatever it is you want to do. But this is basically fine for me. Then for the button, I'm going to edit the button. Instead of using send me the video training, I'm going to use watch video now. All right, so if you click on it, these options will pop up, and then if you scroll down, you are going to see typography, and this is where you are going to change the text for. And then I'll type in watch video now. Then I also change the color of my button to red, so I'll just need to scroll down here, and then you can see where you can pick the background color and then just pick red. All right, so that is done. And then I can change my font type, so I'm going to make it bold. Then there are basically a lot of things you can do here. So let's say you want the corners to be round, you can just adjust these, make these each of them 25, bottom left also 25, and then finally bottom right also 25. All right, so my button is now rounded, and then you can edit the border style and do a lot of things. Okay, but let's say I'm okay with what I have right now. So my opt-in form is ready, and then let's say I don't like this background that I have here. What you just need to do is to select the background. Okay, and then you see where you have background color, inner background color. Just want to click on select background image and upload the image you want, or if you want to use maybe a normal color for your background, you can just select any color you want. But I'm going to use an image. You can use Canva to design the background image you want to use. Or let me just look for, let's say, a blue color. This will not go well with a shade, so I'm just going to upload an image from my computer. All right, so I'm just going to use this. Click on insert. The size of the image I'm using does not fit in properly, so I'm going to change the image. Let me see if this is going to fit in. All right, this is a little bit better. All right, so you can also click on this icon here to really have a preview of what your page is going to look like on the web. This is what my opt-in page is going to look like on the web, but I don't like this guy showing here at the top, so I'll try to remove that. Select the background, and these options pop up, and you want to reduce the top margin to 0. Then scroll down a little bit to where you have padding, and then you want to increase the top padding and the bottom padding till it covers the whole space. All right, so let's say we have this now, and then I'll go ahead and save changes and then click on preview again, and then you can see that the whole background is now covered with the background that we want. And then basically you can also come over here and click on this mobile icon to see how your page is going to look like for people who are using their mobile phones, and then you can basically make some changes if you want. Also, you can make some elements appear on mobile but remove them from the desktop version. And to do that, what you just need to do is to click on the icon, and then all of these options appear again, and then come over to item visible on, and then select the device you want a particular item to show up on. Usually is set at default, that's both desktop and mobile checked. All right, so let's say we are done designing our opt-in page, and this is like the secret. We want to keep it like as simple as you possibly can. If you can deliver your message, so our goal here is to get people to submit their email, so we don't need to make too many fancy additions. And then with this, we have what we are looking for. All right, so once you are done, just want to click on save changes and then click on proceed. Now the next thing you want to do is to come over to the thank you page. Click on the thank you page here, because after people enter their email, their name, and then click on the submit button, it's going to redirect them to the thank you page. And here again, you want to look for a template you are going to use for your thank you page. And remember, we want our thank you page to be a video sales page. All right, and you can basically use any of these templates here. And what I'm going to use this right here. Okay, so I'll select this. You can give this a name if you want, but what you really want to do is to come over again and click on this edit icon. That will enable us to edit this page. Now this is going to bring you here where we can start setting up our VSL. And what I'm simply going to do here, I'll remove this. Then I'm going to drag this up. All right, so I'll change the text color to white so that that stands out from the background. So I just need to click on this color icon here, and then be able to select the color you want. Then thanks for subscribing. Then probably enter, click the play button to watch video now. And then what we need to do here, let me make this thanks for subscribing a little bit bolder than this, then increase the font size. All right, so let's say we have this now, and then what you really want to do is to insert your video to this page. And then to do that, you just want to come over here, click on this back icon, and then you can see the different elements you can add to whatever it is you are creating. And then we just want to look for video, and here you can see we have video here. You just want to drag this to whatever it is you are creating, and as you can see, it is fixed in the best position for you. And then what you just want to do, if you click on it, all these editing options here are going to show up. And then what you need to do first, you need to upload the video you want to use, that's your VSL now, to YouTube, right? So you can upload it to your YouTube channel, and then basically get the link to the video. So for this video that I'm using for this example, I'm going to copy this link. Your video does not have to be public on YouTube before you can use it to do this. So I'll click on copy, then come back to my editor, and then paste this link in this URL box here. All right, then if you want the video to start playing automatically immediately people get to this page, you can turn on autoplay. And then if you want people to see the controls on the video, that's next and all of those things, you can turn it on. But usually it's better you turn it off, since it's not like on YouTube where they get to see all of that. Right? So upload your video to YouTube, and if you don't want to use a YouTube video, if you don't want to upload your video to YouTube, you can come over here and select upload file so that you can upload your video directly to Systeme. But the best way to do it is to upload the video to YouTube. If you don't want the video to be public on YouTube, just set the visibility to restricted, and then only people on this page will be able to watch that video. So I hope you got the point. And then you can edit the border, but usually this is okay, and there are not too many changes you need to do here. And then here at the bottom, you just want to enter details about your offer the way I have on this page here, right? So it's just like you trying to support the pitch you've made in the video. All right, so whatever it is you are selling, you just want to give more details about it here, add your testimonials and all those stuff. So you just need to type all of them here, and then you add a buy button where people can go ahead to buy whatever it is you advertised inside the video. So I'll just click on this button and then change the text. I'll scroll down, change the text to buy now. Now let's say this is all the details of my offer, whatever it is I'm selling. Remember, you can add whatever it is you want to add. You can add images or maybe other videos. Let's say you have testimonials you want to include on this page. You just need to drag a video in and then use the same method to add your testimonial, add screenshot images, whatever it is you want to add, and really have the page you are looking for. All right, so let me just change this text from click the button below, click the buy button below to get this offer. All right, so I can just easily change the text color to, let's say, blue. All right, so let's say this is what I have. Now because of time, I will not be able to really go into detail with creating a very long page here, but you basically get how it is done. If you want to add more text, bring in this text element. If you want to add a bulleted list, you bring in this bullet list element. If you want to add an headline, you want to just bring in headline here and all those stuff, right? So it's very simple, very simple. And when you are done with what you have to do here, you want to click on save changes. When that is done, you want to click on this proceed icon. All right, our squeeze page is ready and our thank you page is ready as well. And let me click on this save icon to save what we've done. Save this as well. And then what I'm going to try to do now is to copy this link and then check what we have on another tab. Okay, so let me visit the link to my squeeze page. As you can see, that brings me here to the opt-in page. And let me give a very practical example. I'll enter my email here and enter my name and then click on watch video now. You can see that this automatically brings me to the VSL page where I can just watch this video and see whatever it is on this video. And then if I'm done watching the video and the video is convincing, I can come down here and click on buy now to buy whatever it is you are selling on this page. Now I forgot to mention that you need to add a link. That's a link to where people can buy whatever it is you want to sell on this button. Okay, and to do that is very simple. Let me come over to the thank you page editor and then click on the button, that's the buy now button, and then you'll be able to add the link here, right? So you add the link to wherever it is they will be paying for what you are selling, or where they'll be getting whatever it is you are offering to them. So it's as simple as that. For a more practical demonstration, I'm going to add the link to my seller store. So let me just copy my seller link. So here's the link. I'll copy this, come back here, and use this link right here. All right, so you click on save changes and then proceed. Okay, so with that done, let me check what we have now. I'll just refresh this page, and then if I click on the buy now button, you'll see that it automatically redirects me to my seller store. So this is very simple and very easy to do. And also, because a lot of people will be visiting this page from their mobile phones, you want to make sure that what you have also looks nice on mobile browser. So you can just check that for yourself. Visit your funnel on your mobile phone to see how it's going to look like for people coming to this page on their phones. So if you have this done, you are basically good to go. And then what you just want to do is to start using the link to your funnel on your ads or on your marketing, wherever it is you are trying to get people from. And if you want to see the details of the people who opted in for your lead magnet, you just need to come over to contact, and then you see all of their details here. So if I click on contact here, you see the email address I entered when testing this funnel for you. And if you come back to funnels, you see the funnel you've built, and then you can click on share to get the link. There's a link to the funnel. And then if you want to edit this funnel maybe in the future, just click on it, and it's going to bring you to this point where you can just click on this edit page icon and then do whatever editing you want to do. So guys, this is a simple process you can follow to build a VSL funnel using Systeme.io. Now, if you enjoyed the information in this video, let me know down below in the comment section. And also, if you're just coming to the channel for the first time, you're welcome. My name is Emmanuel, and on the channel I create videos around online business, internet marketing, and how to make money online. And if you want to see more of my videos in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.